Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, the God Gamer himself, Harriet, and it's Friday, and you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with VMX only on Harriet. And today we are going to take a look at Nympho. Not to be confused with the movie Secrets of a Nympho. This is just titled Nympho. It's directed by Frederick Macapagal Cortez, which means it's a Brillante Mendoza movie. Okay, so parang ang dating kasi, ano, protege ata ni Brillante Mendoza, si Frederick Macapagal Cortez. Okay? And rightfully so. Uh, this movie is exploring the disadvantage ng pagiging isang nymphomaniac. Nymphomaniac is a person that is having an uncontrollable desire to have sex. Okay? And we see here Meg, the character portrayed by Jen Rosa, apparently sees the pleasure and the struggles ng isang nymphomaniac patient. So, this is the journey. Also, welcome back, Vince Rilon. Galing siya sa Batang Quiapo. So, this is his first VMX movie after his Batang Quiapo run. Vince Rilon is playing the role as Carlo. He is the husband ata or live-in ni Meg. And he is here to keep Meg in check of her sexual desires. Ayun. So si Meg ay isang, oh, by the way, if you like this video, paki-like na lang, click the like button, subscribe, hit that bell button for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. Ayan, so sige, si Meg ay isang wedding planner and the first scene na pinakita dito is Meg luring a props guy, nakasando, nakatank top. Meg is doing those faces, yung kinakagat yung labi. Like she wants to bring it on. Like bring it on literally. And from there, she lures the prop guy to the men's bathroom at sila ay nagtalik. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much the movie is. Nagtalik sila nung lalaki. And then, umuwi si Meg, nag-book ng Grab. Tapos, ang ginawa ni Meg, nagsalsal siya sa kanyang buday. Nakita ito ng driver. So, ang ginawa ng driver, nag-ala fake taxi sila as nagtalik. As, naghiraman muna sila ng tissue eh. Tapos, nakauwi na si Meg. Tapos, nagtalik sila ni Vince Relon, ni Carlo. Pretty straightforward naman yung execution ng pwede dito. Ang pinakita naman sa next scenes is her daily life and role. Okay, her suffering. So, hindi alam ni Meg ba't siya nagkakaganito. Okay? So, next victim niya ay isang waiter. Nagtalik sila. Women's bathroom naman ito. Tapos umuwi si Meg kasama sa bahay nila Carlo. Carlo is frustrated bakit kasi na-late na naman ang uwi si Meg. Tapos si Meg naglakad sa labas at nakipagtalik siya sa isang tricycle driver. And Carlo, nakita niya to. Siyempre, nagalit siya sa tricycle driver. Okay? Nagalit siya sa tricycle driver and in turn, and sa exchange na yon nagkapasagan ng ulo, nagkabugbugan yung dalawa. Okay? And dito, kailangan na ng help ni Meg sa kanyang psychiatrist. And that's it. That's pretty much the movie. After the psychiatrist, mukhang okay na yung samahan ni Carlo sa ni Meg. I mean, di pa okay kasi nagkahiwalay sila na first date si Carlo eh. Pero nagkabalikan sila, they met a psychiatrist, and then they paint. They had this best mature scene sa pelikula kung saan covered si Vince Relon sa kasi Jen Rosa ng pintura. And they are having sexual intercourse sa isa't isa. Like I said, pretty straightforward nga itong movie ito. And sabi nga ng psychiatrist, it takes a lot of courage to let out na isa kang nymphomaniac. And it's Carlos' job to keep Meg in check. So may isa ditong wedding reception na ano naman si Meg, na, nakatingin na naman ng lalaki na gusto niya makipagtalik with si Carlo agad ang sumalo. And then, yun, saya na sila. The movie ends with them looking at the at an exhibit kung saan nandun yung mga compromise na nilang painting. Kasi parang ginawa nilang hobby yung painting while Meg is undergoing therapy sa kanyang nymphomania. I guess, kinda. So, yeah, that's how the movie ends. And it's not even 6 minutes. That's how the pacing of the movie is treated. Ang bilis niya. It's 1 hour and 12 minutes. Okay? 1 hour and I think 15 minutes VMX up kasi may ads. So it's 1 hour 12 minutes. It's pretty straightforward. Alam natin na na-pressure si Meg, but at the same time, ayaw niya yung ginagawa niya kasi sakit na yun. Yung araw-araw kang makikipagtalik, obsessed ka makipagtalik sa di mo makakilala. Yeah. So, nymphomania. So, what I'm gonna give this movie, is it peak or is it weak? I think it's on the middle tier. Okay? It has good acting naman in BMX standards. It has good sexy scenes in BMX standards and straightforward naman yung storytelling. Okay? Walang paligoy-ligoy dito. So, it's all good for me. There's nothing bad about it. It's just too simple na hindi mo man kailangan ng cheche porechi para i-analyze pa lalo. Okay. So next week, we're going to review ano ito? Madulas. And these are 3 BMX girls that we're going to look. Astrid Lee, Gina Dizon, Rhea Montemayor, and Lisna Rosales. They're awfully young and awfully new. So, tingnan natin. Campy adult romance yung genre ng Madulas. So, we'll see. I don't know yung Sky Gonzaga. I think feature yung gagawin sa Tuesday. So, yung Bigay Hilig. Tingnan these are the new visit in one unforgettable lineup. Let's see. Bigay Hilig hosted by Sky Gonzaga. Yeah, it's special interest. It's a feature. So, dito compilation lang doon ng mga BMX films in the past. So, di ko na ito re-reviewin. Okay, I think that's it. Monday, I am on leave sa trabaho ko. So, baka ilabas ko na ang Bulong ng Laman review para tapos na. Clear na ako sa backlogs ko. Okay. Baka sa Monday, may publish ko na siya. Okay, thank you for watching. This is your host for tonight, Harriet. Goodbye. Good night. Bye.